Once upon a time, in a secret garden hidden away from the world, there lived a gentle fairy named Elizabeth. Known for her enchanting beauty and boundless kindness, Elizabeth spent her days nurturing the flowers and tending to the creatures that called the garden their home. One bright morning, as Elizabeth fluttered gracefully among the blossoms, she noticed a tiny, lost firefly struggling to find its way back home. The firefly's tiny wings flickered weakly, and it seemed disoriented in the vast garden. Elizabeth's heart swelled with compassion, and without hesitation, she offered her help. She gently cupped the firefly in her hands and whispered comforting words, guiding it toward the path of its home. "Thank you, dear fairy," the firefly said with gratitude. "Your kindness has saved me from being lost forever." Elizabeth's smile was radiant. "It was my pleasure to lend a hand." Never forget that even the smallest act of kindness can bring light to someone's darkest moments. As the days passed, the firefly thrived, its light shining brighter than ever. Filled with gratitude for Elizabeth's selflessness, the firefly returned to the garden one night, bringing a magical gift, a tiny vial of shimmering stardust. "Sprinkle this stardust wherever you go," the firefly whispered, "and you shall witness the true magic of friendship and compassion." Elizabeth followed the firefly's advice, scattering the stardust across the garden. Each night, the garden sparkled with a mesmerizing glow, enchanting the hearts of all who visited. Word of Elizabeth's incredible act of kindness spread throughout the enchanted world, inspiring all to embrace compassion and cherish the value of selfless deeds. And so, Elizabeth's secret garden became a haven of beauty and love, where flowers bloomed with vibrant colors and friendships flourished like never before. The magic of kindness and friendship forever enchanted the hearts of those who encountered this ethereal tale, reminding them that in a world of darkness, a single act of kindness can ignite a flame of hope and change lives forever.